Having trouble getting your controller to work on Epic Games? Let's get you back in the action. First, check the hardware. Is your controller plugged in securely? For a wired controller, make sure the cable is plugged in firmly on the controller, and the PC Bluetooth controllers. Make sure it is connected to your computer. Now, check your device drivers. Open the Device Manager, located within the Windows control panel. Expand Human Interface Devices. If your controller has a yellow warning icon, then your driver is not working correctly. Right-click your controller and select Update Driver. Follow the on-screen instructions. Reboot your computer after installing the driver so the updated driver is active. Next, open the Epic Games Launcher and navigate to Settings. Locate the controller settings within the Global or Game-Specific Settings. Check if Epic Games detects your controller. If your controller is detected, you may need to configure the controller layout and button mapping for the game. If not, try toggling controller support. Need more help? Close background applications. Some programs can conflict with controller input. With a little troubleshooting, you should be back to gaming on the Epic Games platform.